Everyone, this is Louis Grayson here in Boca Raton, Florida. Come take a seat at my Florida table. Our family group and restaurant's been here for 20 years. Ramen Lab's been open for about 5 years. I know my mother always talks about back then when she first moved here, there really wasn't any Thai cuisine in general. And for her to start something like that here in Florida, giving her that opportunity, we went from one small family restaurant to now we have a few, and we're really grateful for that every single day. Me, the next generation from that, opening a ramen lab doesn't hit on our Thai culture, but the cuisine on what we're providing in ramen is a mix between Thai, Korean, Japanese, and a lot of the ingredients and sauces are what my grandma helped me make. This one is actually one of my favorite spices, the mix of like a Japanese Thai flavor. This one is also a family recipe. Being here in Florida is really important to have that diversity because it expands our culture and the food brings us all together. Nowadays, I see so many different concepts, so many different cuisines, but they're making it their own. One of Grandma's straight recipe that I grew up eating is our Grandma 5-Spice Duck Ramen. You got the culture, the warmth, the surprise, the texture, all this one flavor of explosion, and in the perfect place to be in Boca Raton in South Florida, and it hits perfectly.